Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running Python code on Ubuntu 14.04 is a straightforward process since Python comes pre-installed on most Ubuntu distributions. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to run Python code on Ubuntu 14.04. Step 1. Open a terminal. You can open a terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T or by searching for terminal in the Ubuntu dash. Step 2. Write your Python code. Use a text editor like Nano or Gedit to write your Python code. For example, you can create a file named hello.py and write the following code. Save the file once you have written your code. Step 3. Navigate to the directory containing your Python file. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where your Python file is saved. For example, if your file is saved in the Documents directory, you can use. Step 4. Run the Python code. To run your Python code, use the following command in the terminal. This command will execute the Python code in the hello.py file, and you should see the output hello, Ubuntu 14.04, printed in the terminal. That's it. You have successfully run Python code on Ubuntu 14.04. Remember to replace hello.py with the name of your Python file if it's different. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further clarification.